Good morning, and welcome to Fair Value Study. US markets open in less than an hour, and June is kicking off with real momentum. Let's break it all down. Starting with equity futures, stock futures are pointing higher as Wall Street looks to start the month on a strong note. S&P 500 futures are trading at 7,615, up 0.26%. Dow futures are at 51,343, gaining 0.52%, and Nasdaq futures are at 30,474, up 0.23%. The Russell 2000 is the outlier, sitting at 2,917 and down 0.25%, showing that small caps are lagging behind the large cap rally. 0.20 to 0.50, tech and market recap. The big story heading into the open is the Nvidia-Microsoft collaboration. Nvidia unveiled a new processor for personal computers, and shares climbed over 2% in the pre-market. Dell and HP followed higher, while Intel fell more than 6%, reminding us that disruption in the chip space is very much alive. Stocks ended May at all-time highs, continuing their rebound off the March lows, with growing confidence that the Strait of Hormuz will reopen soon. The Nasdaq Composite was up more than 8% since the end of April, a powerful run heading into a historically softer month. On the manufacturing front, the S&P Global US Manufacturing PMI rose to 55.3 in May, its strongest reading since May 2022. The ISM Manufacturing PMI for May is due out at 10 a.m. Eastern today, which will be a key data point for the session. In commodities, crude oil is trading at 89.81, up a sharp 2.8% as a US-Iran ceasefire deal remains elusive, keeping supply concerns elevated. Gold is pulling back, down 1.28% to 4,534, while silver is slightly lower at 75.78. On the bond market, the 10-year Treasury yield is holding at 4.457%. With the 10-year near 4.45%, borrowing costs remain relatively expensive, continuing to act as a headwind for rate-sensitive sectors. Meanwhile, the VIX is at 15.84, up 3.39%, reflecting a modest rise in caution. In currencies, the British pound is at 1.3467, up 0.16%. The dollar-yen pair is at 159.45, signaling continued yen weakness, and the euro is slightly lower at 1.1650. In crypto, Bitcoin is down 2.28% at 72,127, showing it is not participating in this morning's risk-on tone. Globally, Asian shares climbed 1% to an all-time high, with gauges in South Korea, Taiwan, and the Nikkei all hitting records on AI momentum. The Nikkei 225 is at 66,934, up 0.91%, while the FTSE 100 is down 0.25% at 10,383. Bottom line, we are entering June on a strong foundation, but the conflict with Iran and its impact on oil prices remains the biggest wildcard. Watch crude, watch the ISM data, and keep an eye on that Russell 2000 divergence. That's your pre-market briefing for Monday, June 1st. Stay sharp. Stay data-driven. This is Fair Value Study. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.